Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So I'm actually looking across from another unit that we're replacing a roof on. Here's a Keystone Cougar. I'm not sure what year it is, but I wanted to show you that a different manufacturer was adding 2 moldings on the front cap. I don't really like how they did the second molding. It's actually the second molding that they used is actually the molding that they would use to put on the screw cover cap that holds around the cap itself. And then they just gooped it up with, you know, Dicor or alpha sealant. Looks like my guys came in and they're doing the side seams, resealing the side edges all the way down. And it also looks like we were replacing a fan in it. You can see the skylights getting pretty discolored and yellow. And then, yeah, we actually added another Max Air fan in the newer style back there. And it looks like we're going to be adding another one that's, I'm assuming that's in the bathroom since the skylight's so close. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Hope you like these and we'll keep them coming. This is just an example of things that are going on in the shop. And then you can also see this too. This, I don't know why I didn't bring this up, but see the transition here? They took and they added another molding from the factory on the sides. I guess because this is such of a sloped pitch roof, that if for some reason that let loose or air came up, they're trying to prevent it from going back and tearing on the roof. But look at the edge of that wood material that's like sharp looking, it's standing up. You know, on this other unit that I'm on, I just turned around and seen it. You know, here's a roof that we're replacing. You can see where the seams are at. So imagine that sharp seam eventually is going to rub through and cause that to tear open. So if you have a Keystone Cougar, keep an eye on that. Make sure that you're checking your side seams and your other sealants and keeping everything nice, clean, and UV protected. Thanks so much for watching.